Hello, I want to share with you a new site that I learned from one of your classmates for creation of predetermined templates for infographics. Here it is, and I have the link in the note in the announcements. You go through, you sign up for your free team, for your free document, and then look at all the templates you can have. Then you can scroll over. You can look to see which one is most like what you want. Uh, and you can click on it, create, and follow the start. You can add charts, maps, you can read it for yourself, and build your own templates. You can drop down, select photos. It's super cool. Venngage. And it's free.